प्रिय मित्रों नमस्कार। मैं डॉक्टर जेडी गुप्ता आज आपके लिए कॉरपोरेट टैक्स प्लानिंग पर नया वीडियो लेकर के उपस्थित हूँ। आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे कि यदि हम कोई संपत्ति को खरीदते हैं, इफ़ वी परचेज एनी असेट्स फॉर साइंटिफिक पर्पस, रिसर्च पर्पस, और साइंटिफिक रिसर्च पर्पस हमारा पूरा हो जाने के बाद क्या हमें वो संपत्ति तुरंत बेच देना चाहिए, सेल आउट करना चाहिए, या कुछ समय हमारे लिए अपने पास रखना चाहिए। इससे संबंधित जो डिसीज़न है टैक्स प्लानिंग से रिलेटेड, वह हम आज इस वीडियो के माध्यम से देखने जा रहे हैं। If an assessee purchases an asset for scientific research related to its business, the expenditure incurred is deductible during the previous year in which it is incurred. If such asset cases to be of any use for scientific research purposes, the assessee can sell it or use it in the business for some other purpose. From tax planning point of view, we should consider whether it is beneficial to sell such asset immediately or it should be sold after using it some time in the business for some other purpose. So, rules regarding to decision making, there are two conditions. First, selling the asset without using it for business. If we sell out the asset without using for the business purpose, so here tax rules are: the selling price up to the cost of asset is deemed to business income under section 41(3). If selling price exceed the cost, the excess shall be capital gain, which can be computed keeping in view the provision of section 50A. Here the example. For example, a capital asset was purchased at a cost rupees 2 lakh in June 2013 for scientific research related to the business. The deduction of rupees 2 lakh was allowed in year 2013-14. During the previous year 2019-20, the asset is sold rupees 2 lakh 50,000 without using it in the business for any other purpose. The taxable income or loss shall be, and here we have given another information: cost inflation index for year 2013-14 220, and the year 2019-20 289. So, by the help of this, how do we make a decision and cost? Computing of capital gain. So, first, business income. Business income is cost of asset or selling price, whichever is less. So, our cost price is less. So, write down 2 lakh business income. And long term capital gain, selling price, index cost of the asset in selling year. So, cost is 2 lakh multiply by year in which index inflation index of year in which asset sale. So, is equal to 289, and year when we purchase assets. So, index inflation index is given in question 220, and by this calculation we find out the value of asset 2,62,727. So here selling price is 2,50,000 and cost of asset as per inflation index 2,62,727. So here our loss is long term capital loss 12,727. And another second case, selling the asset after using it in business. तो हम दूसरे ऑप्शन में यह काम कर सकते हैं कि हम उसे कुछ समय के लिए बिजनेस में यूज़ करें। तो उसमें क्या है, इफ़ एन असेट यूज फॉर साइंटिफिक रिसर्च related to the business of assessee is used in business for some time and then sold, the selling price such asset is not treated as deemed income under section 41(3), but the selling price is deducted from the written down value of the block of asset. This will reduce the tax liability for the year and for that year, and more cash will be in hand. However, the tax liability will increase in further. Thank you. नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ हम पुनः मिलेंगे.